Step 3. The warrior method is to challenge. Once our students are part of a strong community that inspires them to succeed, we can begin to encourage them to seek out challenges and adventure. We put challenging, success, and failure in the right context, helping our students to analyze their performance positively. Without the previous 2 steps, your child may not feel comfortable or have the desire to challenge themselves, and this will limit their development. We teach our students the warrior method for goal setting. A system that has been proven to rapidly increase the confidence and focus of children in a practical way, creating independent warriors in our community.